Okay, so it's done. It's done. See, it's just the top half. My butte. All right, so I'm gonna sit them down here. Go ahead and take this off of them. So this green creature is the cicada leaving it behind. Oh shit, I did not know this. So this shell down here is the shell that we running across, but this green one is what he looks like now that he shed it. So he's green right now, but he's not gonna stay green. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is, oh, I'm so happy to see this. Oh man. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second. Hold on. Okay, so, my bad. You know, I tried, but I didn't damage him. He's finished. He's finished shitting. I didn't hurt him. This is awesome. I never knew what they looked like when they come out. This is so fucking cool. This is what we always see when it comes to cicadas. We only see this shell right here. Yeah, that right there. We see that all the time. I've never seen this before though. This is awesome. Alright, bro. I'll put you back here. You should be safe through the night. When you ready, you fly off. Love it. I fucking love it. I love it.